How to buy Monkey, the wise monkey on BitMart. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token in BitMart, make sure to open it on the CoinMarketCap. After that, click on Markets. And as you can see, this is BitMart. Click here on Pair. And you will be redirected to BitMart. Now, as you can see, make sure to log into your accounts. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. So in this page, we will buy the Monkey token. As you can see, select the buy here. You have two options, the limit and markets. Now set here how much you want to buy of Monkey, as you can see. And you will see here how much you will pay of USDT. So like if you want to buy like 1 million, 1 billion or anything that you want, you will see here how much you will pay of USDT. And after that, click on buy Monkey and you will buy. So because I don't have any fund, I can't complete the process. And in the market, you can here drag this to set how much of percentage of your USDT balance on your account to pay with. So after that, if you set how much you want to buy with USDT, just click on buy Monkey and you will be able to buy it. So this is how to buy Monkey on BitMart. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.